In this video, I'm going to show you how you can automate your dropshipping business. What's up, Roshpers? Welcome back to another video. So look, there's a point in our dropshipping business when we cannot do everything by ourselves manually. You know, whether it's fulfilling the orders individually, updating the order listing, like what's available and what's not, updating the order prices, and like everything else. That's why today I'm bringing you this video where I'll show you how you can automate your dropshipping business to the highest extent possible with just only one software. Let's get started. So this is the software that we are going to use today, which is AutoDS. Now, as it is clear from its name, Auto stands for automation and DS stands for dropshipping. So this is the website or software that helps you to, automate your dropshipping business to the highest extent. So this is the homepage that you will see after you have signed up. Once you click on the link and sign up for free and you have added your store, you will see the dashboard something like this. Here is the website that that you have added, and here's the name of the website. Then here's the option to add products. It is showing the option because I have not added any products yet, because this is just a test website that I'm using for the software, just to show you guys how does the software actually works. Then here's the home option where you will see like everything you need to do to just get started. Here's connect to dropshipping store that I have already done. Then select a product and create a first draft, and means to add the products to a store. Then here's publish a draft product and all that, so you can go with that. Then here's the dashboard section where you will see all the analytics for your store, like the profit, orders, total revenue, new products, average profit, average order value, like everything. It will show you all the metrics and analytics that are required for a store, through which you can see the data and do some changes in your website if you want. Then here's the order section where you will see all the orders, like the orders that you need to fulfill, the orders that have been completed, the new orders, and like everything. So all the orders you will see in this section. Then here's the product section where you will see all the products that are added in your website. So like whether it's one product or two, like you can see all the products, and you can also import the products from Oberlo. I have already created a video on that, like how you can do that, how you can import all your products from Oberlo, because as we all know, Oberlo is shutting down. So you can use AutoDS instead. That you can just import the product. Simply just watch this 2 to 3 minutes video. I'll leave the link to the description and in the I button as well. So here's the product section. Then we have the draft section. So here's the here are the draft products that you will add to your website that you can change later, like all the you can change the description, the title, and the price, like everything you want, and you can add as a product in your store. These are just draft products. Then here's the customer support option where you contact to the customer support of AutoDS, and let me tell you, they are really amazing. Like their customer support is really amazing. Most of the time they just respond in some hours, so that's good. Then here's the AutoDS wallet. Then here's the settings, and in the settings you can change the store settings, like the name of the store. You can add other stores as well. I have only this store named by Dheeraj, so I'm seeing that. Then here's the Aliexpress CN and all that. Then here's the automation section where I can automate my store, like some of the features of this. So if I just click on this add automation, this will take me to a page like this where I just name this automation everything. Let's say D. I'll just name for this now, and when I click on next, here's the option like I can raise prices by sale performance. Like if a product is doing really good, I'm getting sales for that, so I can increase the price of that a specific product after I have reached a threshold of order. So for example, let's say if I set it for 20 orders for one product, so once that product hit 20 orders, it will increase the price accordingly. So yeah, you can set up that. Then here's the setup price, like how much you want to increase the price, like what's like to what percentage. For example, you can say like 2%, 3%, like once the order once the product hit that specific number of orders. So after that, here's the option like click on next. Then after that, here's the option for pricing when sales decrease. So you can decrease the price of the order as well once the sales are decreasing. So for example, if there's a product that is not performing that much well, then you can decrease the price of that order. So yeah, like you can decrease the price in percentage, or you can write down the specific amount that you want to decrease the price by. Then again hit next once you have added that. Then we have the assigned products, so you can add those specific products that you want to increase or decrease the price for. So this way you can automate this increase or decreasing the price section, which is really good. You do not have to do it manually later, like for every single product. Okay, so after that we have this option for templates, so you can use this there are different templates that you can use from the website. Then there are the keyword section, means which are the keywords that have been performing the best for your website, and which are the keywords that are not performing well. So you can see all that data here. Then here are plans and add-ons, accounts and billing, users, by account. So you can see these are just some basic information. So after the platform, after the dashboard, here is this product search tool as well that they provide along with the platform. So once I click on that, this is the page that will open. Okay, so here I can see all the products, popular products and new products. Let's go one by one briefly. So here is all products section. So here I can see all the products that are available, and I can choose whether I want to import or sell any of these products. I can see all the details, and so means I can just do my product search. So these are all the orders. Then here are the popular orders, means the popular products means the products that have been quite popular in previous some time, and that have been really selling well for other stores as well. Then here's the new product section, means they are the new arrivals. Then it means the new products that that can potentially become a winning product. You can just check out them, see the information like if they will work for you or not. I personally check out this section always and see if there are some new arrivals that can work for me. So yeah, means you can just do a product search. Then here are the holiday products that are specifically for holidays. Then here's the US supplies. Now this is my best favorite section in this in the product search tool for this website. Means all the products that have US based suppliers. So as you all know, this really helps helps us to decrease the shipping times, because this is the biggest problem in dropshipping, that the shipping times of dropshipping products is really like just a month or so. Like that's really long shipping times. So USA based suppliers really help us to decrease that shipping time. So I really use this feature of their website a lot, and I just love it. So then there is this China suppliers option, then where you will see all the products that have China based suppliers. So yeah, then here's the message section, so you will see if there is any message from this website. Now let me tell you some of the key features of the AutoDS software. So first of all is this listing stock monitoring, checking, updating every hour your listing, making sure everything is in the stock, and if not, automatically changing the product availability. So basically it just updates the stock of every product hourly. Like if you have connect the software with a specific supplier, and you have fix the number of products that you have in the stock, so it will automatically update the stocks according to which if the product is available anymore or not in the stock. Then we have this price optimization, which is automatic price raise and drop. As I told you, this feature you can automate this, whether you want to increase or decrease the price of a specific product. So specific product once it reach that much number of sales. Then here's the price round up for a 2.99, so it is obvious like 9.99, 10.9 and all that, so it will just round up the price for that. Then here's the default pricing settings according to the supplier. Each supplier can have its own settings, profit or break even settings, maximum profit. So like it will update the price as well according to the supplier, which is automatically, do not have to do it manually. Then here's the easy import, single, bulk and schedule. So through AutoDS you can upload a single product easily. You can import hundred thousands of products at a one. You can schedule imports at a later time. So as I told you before, I have created a specific video for this feature, like how you can import products with AutoDS. Like you can import hundreds and thousands of products at once, which is really amazing and which is really helpful and saves a lot of time. And you can simply import the products from oberlo to AutoDS and then to your website. So yeah, you can see that video, and this feature is really amazing. Like we can import orders, or we can import products in bulk. So yeah, then after that there's the bulk actions. Again, you can do bulk actions to a product or something like that if you want to update the description or like anything like that. If you want to update price for the bulk orders, like for the bulk products, so you can also do that. Then here are 23 supported suppliers, so they support different suppliers. Then templates, watermark, upload your items using your branded or watermark. So this is a really amazing feature. So what happens in dropshipping, suppose you have uploaded pictures and videos of a product on your website. So what will your competitors do? They will just steal the same pictures and use them on their websites. So what AutoDS does is it will use your watermark on every picture, so that way no one will be able to steal your pictures and use them as it is in their website. So this is really great and productive from your competition. Then here's the eBay customer support. So this is for eBay. Then automated orders fulfilled by AutoDS. So yeah, this is an amazing feature. They fulfill your orders automatically 100% by themselves. Means suppose if customer have placed an order, they will directly reach to the supplier and tell them, okay, this is the order, this is the place where you need to ship, and that's it. You do not have to do anything. Like, you just need to get the sales, and everything else post sales AutoDS will do that. Once you do the advertisement, all that, you just need to get the sales, and AutoDS will take care of everything, like the stocks and stock monitoring and all that, ordering to the supplier and everything else. Just get the sales, man. Okay, so after that there's this tracking numbers. So yeah, this is really important because sometimes what does PayPal do? It will put hold on your funds because you do not provide the tracking numbers. So make sure like you have the tracking numbers, otherwise AutoDS will do that. They will automatically provide you with the tracking numbers for each and every order. That way you can provide the same to the PayPal and protect yourself against the holds. They are really frustrating, the holds, like they will just, oh my god. Okay, so this is an amazing feature as well. They provide the automatic tracking numbers for every order. Then we have permissions, where system, then item replacement, like you can add it or replace items, like you can replace the items with some other items with the same description and the title. So that's also good. Then they also have their Chrome extension that you can use to import products in bulk. Again, you can watch that video where I showed you step by step how to import the products using their Chrome extension and everything that is required. Then here's the dashboard, get a full detailed overview of your sales, profit, top selling products, and many more. So yeah, as I showed you, the dashboard will show you all the metrics that are required for your business. If you're watching the video so far, that means the content have been really useful for you. So do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.